Good morning, students. You are welcome in the fifth chapter of science, that is soil. In this chapter, our learning outcomes are formation and composition of soil, types of soil, soil profile, soil erosion, and soil conservation. So, let's start learning about them one by one. First one is formation of soil. Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering, and the process of soil formation is called pedogenesis. Whenever the fine powder known as sand mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals called humus and minerals, soil is formed. सॉइल कैसे बनती है? जब सैंड के फाइन पार्टिकल्स उनमें मिक्स होते हैं डेड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के रिमेन्स, दैट इज अवशेष, जिन्हें हम ह्यूमस कहते हैं, और मिनरल्स मिक्स होते हैं, तब सॉइल का निर्माण होता है. Thus, soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. Now, soil is very important for life on earth. Plants mostly grow in soil. They produce food and give out oxygen, which is needed by humans and animals to stay alive. And soil is also home to many insects and animals. Now, composition of soil. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. Sand are the largest soil particles, and clay are the smallest soil particles, and silt particles are smaller than sand particles but bigger than the clay particles. And other than these, soil also contains some small stones and pebbles called gravel और कंकर जिसे हम कहते हैं, एंड मिनरल्स सच एज आयरन, कैल्शियम, पोटेशियम एक्सेट्रा, एंड ह्यूमस. Soil also contains some amount of air and water. Now, types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in it. These are sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. Sandy soil has a greater proportion of sand particles. Sandy soil feels rough and gritty and is non-sticky when wet. It does not hold much water and drains most of it. Clay soil में particles sandy soil में sand particles ज़्यादा होते हैं और वो गीली होने पर नॉन स्टिकी हो जाती है और ज़्यादा पानी नहीं रोक पाती, सारा पानी निकल जाता है. Now, clay soil. This soil has a greater proportion of clay particles. Clay soil feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Now, loamy soil has almost the same amount of sand, clay, and silt. Loamy soil is the best soil for growing plants, and it is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Now, soil profile. Soil profile refers to the layers of soil. In the picture, these layers have been named A, B, and C. See, A is the topsoil. It is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water, and air. And B is called the subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. And C is called the bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. Now, soil erosion. Topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus, and strong winds and water wash away the loose topsoil. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. जब मिट्टी पानी या हवा के प्रेशर से कट कर बह जाती है या उड़ जाती है, उसको सॉइल इरोजन कहते हैं। पिक्चर में देखिए कैसे सॉइल कटी हुई है, गायब है वहाँ से। Strong winds, heavy rainfall and cutting down of trees increase soil erosion. Now, conservation of soil. Plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. We must prevent soil erosion because it takes about 500 years for nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. Okay, so protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. There are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Second is, trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. This practice does not allow the wind to blow full force and take away the topsoil. And the third and the last one is, flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil, so dams should be built across river to prevent floods. So that's all in this chapter about soil. Thank you.